Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on RNDR. As in my earlier video that I shared a few hours ago with you, this one, I was showing you that RNDR, after breaking out a big rising wedge pattern, has broken out another symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame chart. And this was the triangle. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this breakout. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout from this big rising wedge pattern. And after that, before that, we have already broken out this big down channel, and you can see that this was a very massive rally from this low to here. That was almost 5,000% pump, and recently here we have found a quite strong resistance here at $13.50. By the way, before breaking out this channel, I've been telling you that target can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $10, and you can see that the price line has rallied almost up to between $13 to $14. And during this rally, we have broken out this wedge. And in today's video, we will also analyze this breakout as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for RNDR that I shared, by the way, on 15th of Feb 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that RNDR formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. And this was almost 72% pump. Very massive pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart, and first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And here we have already broken out this symmetrical triangle, and you can see we were quite obviously testing the resistance more than the support. You can see we had a touch point here at the support here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and we had several touch points at the resistance, and finally we have broken out the resistance. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle, then target is here, approximately at $20. And on a 7-day time frame chart, you can see that first we broke out this down channel, and after that we had a very massive rally. And during this rally, we have also broken out this very massive resistance of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21, that is now working as a support. Even at this time, it is also working as a support. You can see that the price line is getting accumulated above this. After some price accumulation, it is now geared up above this support of EMA 21. And at the same time, you can see that we have also broken out this big rising wedge pattern, and after the breakout, the price and retested the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, and now it is geared up and trying to break out this resistance of $10.30. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that a few days ago, this $10.30 has been working as a support here for several days, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. We got rejection here, and now for the past 2 or 3 days, the price is trying to break out this resistance of $10.30. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this rising wedge pattern, then target for the breakout from this wedge is here. That is almost at the same level where we had the target for this triangle, almost at $20. And once the price will hit the $20 resistance target, then it can also break out this long-term resistance of $13.50, and it will be flipped into a long-term support. And this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.